Hello world, good day and welcome to our channel once again. Today we are diving into one of the most talked about topics in Ghana right now, the KINTAMPO waterfalls controversy. Uncovering the truth behind the scandal, you might have seen headlines like the KINTAMPO waterfalls destroyed by galamsey operators, that's illegal miners, or river changed color. I'm here to help you with any questions or concerns you may have. It's important to rely on a credible sources of information when it comes to sensitive topics like environmental issues. We shouldn't joke with it at all. Let's watch this video to clear any doubts.
KINTAMPO waterfalls. KINTAMPO waterfalls. Hey, ready now, coupon. Ghana for say I'm ready. And go for me as a say I'm ready. A better kaka. You're very important so because ministers and no man paying in the profit. No more important so that no. I'm about them Ghana's you. Wait. KINTAMPO waterfalls. And the galamsey.
Regarding the issue we heard on Wednesday 11th October 2023, which claimed confidentially that the KINTAMPO waterfalls have been submerged with galamsey activities, it's likely that the media involved was misled or exaggerated the situation. Before making snap judgment or spreading rumors, verifying the information through multiple sources is crucial or spreading rumors. Again, this week, that was on Wednesday or Tuesday, we read KINTAMPO waterfalls. People has immersed themselves in doing galamsey over there. We went there to check and we spoke with the authorities and they were like, no, it's never true. But looking at it, there are two main rivers that form the KINTAMPO waterfalls. One of them is this river, which the indigenous of KINTAMPO call it River Rafisaka. So we came here to make this video. If you can see, there is a huge new bridge construction over here. So due to that, when it rains, at the end of the day, if the water changes in color, then it goes to join another river called Pumpu. From there, it proceeds to the waterfalls. So we're having all these two videos to prove that there is no galamsey ongoing on KINTAMPO waterfalls, or there is no galamsey in KINTAMPO currently as we are talking or as I'm speaking right now. Okay, here is River Pumpu. As we already said, KINTAMPO waterfalls is formed by two main rivers. That's the River Rafisaka and River Pumpu. River Pumpu here, there are a lot of tributaries that join River Pumpu to form the KINTAMPO waterfalls. As you can see, and what the media said that KINTAMPO is now being galamsey. That's why we came here to show you the color of the river currently. You can see at its state. Looking at its state, it proves clearly that the video you saw at the KINTAMPO waterfalls shows that there is no galamsey or ongoing project that involves gold mining in KINTAMPO here. It's just a construction of the road. And mostly during the rainy season, there are a lot of gutters that join directly to River Pumpu, which makes the water contaminated, or it changes its color from the normal color it has and changes to this. We'll be going to waterfalls to add the video up that we already have to prove that indeed KINTAMPO is not having any galamsey activities over here. Okay, as evidence and fact being proven, comparing it to the two rivers that we said that's the main source of the Kintampo waterfalls, now we can see how the river looks currently. This is the Kintampo waterfalls. So if anyone said it's because of galamsey, though there are more galamsey activities in Ghana, but I must say emphatically in Kintampo here there is no galamsey activities that's ongoing or that's been going on. So we went to almost all the two rivers that join to form the Kintampo waterfalls. The river Pumpu, the river Fusaka, the other tributaries that join the Kintampo waterfalls, they are all being contaminated. And we know that in Ghana here, during the rain season, most of our drains are being straightly lead into this river. So it gets contaminated, it changes in color, then at the end of the day it comes. If we are here, if it happens that it's not going to rain for almost like a week, just 2-3 days, you come here and you see this same river here and you never think of anything. So this video is to prove that there is no ongoing galamsey activities in Kintampo or on Kintampo waterfalls. Thank you. I shot this video last week at the Kintampo waterfalls before the heavy rainfall. If you know the Kintampo waterfalls, this won't be new to you. And one good thing about the city of Kintampo I know and I have witnessed is there can never be such thing here. These people are much patriotic and a bit aggressive in terms of protecting their public or state-owned properties. This will never happen in Kintampo. In a nutshell, there is no evidence to support the claim of galamsey activities at the Kintampo waterfalls. It's important to correct the record and provide accurate information to the public. At times, being the first to spread rumors make people trust you, but as a media, before you spread any information, you need to make a thorough research before spitting them out. Let's remember, it's always best to prioritize accuracy and credibility when reporting on sensitive topics like environmental issues. By doing so, you build trust and credibility with your audience. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, like, comment and share for us. Thank you.